All right, so what we're going to focus on today is this section of the back taillight housing and bed. It was bent in and kind of offset. It wasn't square anymore, just from age, twisting. This body was really rough. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out about right here above where the tailgate attaches and change some of the structure here. I'd like it to be flush and then come in. So what I'm going to do, instead of making a template of all this shape and everything, I mean, you can, it's just, it takes longer. I'm just going to measure at the deepest point, which is about just under 3 inches, and then measure about 1 3/4 inches, and then make my piece of metal bend a little 90 degree. We'll put it in here, and then we'll just trace out the edge over here, and just slap it in there after we cut out the edge. It'd be way quicker than doing a template and everything like that. So that's what we're going to do right now. What I'm going to go ahead and do is use my shear, and we'll just slice off a section of metal, figure out how much we need, and then fold it over. What I did there is I'm just kind of open this back up a little bit. So yeah, like you can see, I mean, sometimes you can just overcomplicate things. You don't have to be so detailed and over the top with your design. And what I'm going to do here with the extra, once I cut this to the top, I'm just going to roll that over, weld that right into here. And that's going to fill in my top panel. So there you go. Mark both sides. I'm just going to take some tons nips and cut it out. I'm going to leave a little bit of extra material, so once I fit it in there, I can kind of grind it smooth. We'll tack it in place, make sure everything looks right, and then we'll just weld it up. I'm not sure whether I'm going to leave that in there as some extra structure or not. I kind of want to, but I kind of don't. All right, so that's it for the Bronco in this video. I got to cut it off here. Went crazy on some organization, and then we'll move on to the door jamb and some other stuff. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.